Instrument. What determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What determines acceleration? What determines momentum? What determines velocity? What is the sound trajectory that occurs? So we take in a physics analysis of sound. How music works, musicology, or from a musical perspective. I also study the physics of sound. You know why sound is a collision of air molecules. Sound. We're looking at sound from a physics perspective. You're dealing with the collision of air molecules. I felt like to truly encapsulate a phenomenon as a whole, you have to embrace every facet of its enigma. So I didn't just want to understand sound from a linguistics perspective or just have a deep-seated understanding of sound from a physics perspective.